So guys, I will show you another powerful and very simple strategy that will help you catch multiple candlesticks on the boom and crash index markets. Right, for the boom 1000 markets and the crash 1000 market especially, I have backtested this strategy and it has worked for me. So I'm going to show you guys how to set it up and how to use this strategy to your advantage. All right, now, as some of you guys already know, I love to follow trends, guys. As a matter of fact, it is my hobby to just be following trends. As I wake up every day, all I want to do is sit down on my chart and be looking out for trends. So in this strategy, we will be using three powerful indicators that would help us detect possible trend reversal points in the market, right? Areas of support and resistance where price is overbought and oversold, right? This is what this strategy will help us do. We will be able to easily detect these areas and take advantage of these areas, look out for potential entries and make the most out of the market. All right, so let's quickly go into that. But before I go into that, please permit me to tell you guys that I own just one Telegram free signals group, right? And I will be dropping the link to that free group in the description box of these videos. In fact, each of my videos, when you go to the description box, you should be able to find a link to our only free Telegram group. It has come to my notice that there are a lot of parody groups in our name, using our brand, using our logo and everything. But please ensure that you are coming to us through the videos we post on YouTube. When you go to the description box, you should see all our contacts. Okay, do not go on Telegram and search Southside Forex. You will fall into wrong hands. You might fall into wrong hands. So please, let's all be safe out there. Okay, so quickly, let's go to the indicators. Let's set up the indicators. So we have the stochastic oscillator. This indicator will help us detect areas where price is overbought or areas where price are oversold or where price is oversold. Okay, so basically it is an indicator that will detect trend reversal points for us. First index is also an oscillator, and it is the same thing that they do. They will tell us potential buying or selling areas in the chart where price is likely, where momentum is likely to drop. Buyers are no longer strong enough to keep pushing the price forward. So from that point, sellers are taking in, sellers are dominating the market at that level, and all of that. This is what these indicators would help us detect. And we also have the awesome oscillator. So let's quickly set this up. Stochastic oscillator, we are using K period of 5, G period of 35, slowing of 5, price field, close. Method simple. Levels, you can add this up: 90, 80, 20 and 10. All right, make sure the color on that style is one that would pop on your screen. If you're using the white background, make sure you're using dark colors like this. I would suggest you all use the same colors as I'm using on my own until you are able to, maybe you understand the indicators properly, you understand the setup, the strategy properly, and you can be able to customize the colors as you wish. But for now, you can just copy the same colors that I'm using for clarity. Okay, so click done when you're done with that, and you are good for the main page. When you come back here, please make sure that for your styling, the main and signal are the same color as the background of your chart. So I'm using white background, that's why you're seeing main is white and signal is also white. Close. When you're done with that, just click done and you would have your setup already. The next one should be the first index, period of 10, method exponential, volume stick. Levels are not needed. Time frame visualization, please use the color that would be visible on your chart. You can simply use the color as I'm using on my own charts. Click done when you're done with that, and you have your first index. And the next one would be the awesome oscillator. Just use the default setup, guys. Make sure value up is a color that will be visible on your chart. Make sure value down is a color that will also be visible on your chart. No levels are needed, so you don't need to do anything there. Click done when you're done with that, and you have your complete setup, guys. So how do we maximize this to our advantage? How do we make profits? How do we catch these candlesticks with this strategy? How do we make money using this strategy? Basically, I'm going to show you guys right about now. So you want to see price at, this is for the boom 1000 index market, right? You want to be selling the boom 1000 market. All right, you want to be selling to take some candlesticks out of the market. So what do? So you want to go to a higher time frame, like the 1 hour time frame. I like to work with the 1 hour time frame. So you want to see two confirmations on the 1 hour time frame. Let's quickly go to the 1 hour time frame. So the first confirmation is you having a bearish closing price on this time frame. In this case here, you can see we have two bearish closing of the market in this time frame. This means that in the past 2 hours, sellers have been dominating the market. They've been pushing price downwards. Okay, that's one confirmation. The next one you want to see is that your first index indicator on the indicator window have come to the level 90 of the stochastic oscillator at least 3 times within a short period of time. Okay, so you can see here that we have up to 3 touches of that level, and then price respects that region whenever this first index indicates that price is around that region. Remember, I said that these indicators are going to help us detect possible trend reversal points. Okay, so if that happens, you want to switch to the 1 minute time frame, and on this time frame you want to see that your first index indicator is back to the level 90 of the stochastic oscillator. Once it comes back to that region and starts dropping down from that region, the next thing you want to confirm again is your oscillator, your awesome oscillator value up and value down bars, the green and red bars running across the indicator windows. You want to see that they are also at that region. Okay, you want to see that they also come to the level 90 and level 80 of the stochastic oscillator region, and you want to see them drop from that region. Once they start dropping from that region, that marks your entry, guys. So imagine you took your entry just here. You can see how much profits you'd be in after taking that entry. You still be in profits down up to this level. Okay, so to be on the safe side, you could just pick up to 10 candlesticks or more and leave the market and look out for more possible setups. All right, look out for more possible setups. So if we back test, you might see that what I just explained keeps playing out. It keeps playing out. It keeps playing out. It keeps playing out. All right, so you just want to see when price has come to your area of value, which is your key support and resistance regions where you are hoping to see trend reversals. All right, where you're hoping to see trend reversals. So this is for the boom 1000 index markets. We are selling the boom 1000 index market. All right, so let's check out the crash 1000 index market, because in this market we want to be buying this time. We don't want to be selling, we want to be buying. All right, so everything I explained on the boom 1000 index market will be done the opposite way on the crash 1000 index market. So in the crash 1000 index market, instead of a bearish closing price, you want to see a bullish closing price on the 1 hour time frame. All right, you want to see the bullish closing price on the 1 hour time frame. And here you can see that we had 2 strong bullish closing candlesticks on the 1 hour time frame. So you want to also see that in the last couple of hours, in the last couple of hours, you want to see that price kept respecting your first index indicator whenever they come to the level 10 and 20 this time, not the level 90 and 80 again. This time when they come to level when they come to the levels 20 and 10, they bounce back up from there and then they push up from there. All right, this suggests that price has come to a key support region where there is likely to be a reversal. Okay, so at this point you want to switch to the 1 minute time frame and also ensure that you meet price at that region. Okay, you want to see that your first index market is at that region. Sorry, your first index indicator, you want to see it at the level 20 and 10. Whenever they touch that level and they start going back up from that level, you want to also see the awesome oscillator value up and value down bars. Want to see them also at the level 20 and level 10 this time, no longer level 90 and level 80. All right, so when they get to that level and they start pushing back up again from that level, that's where you find your entry. And as you can see, this would have been a very good entry after all these confirmations were spotted in the market. All right, after all these confirmations were spotted, sorry about that, I need to take that out. Let me use the arrow instead. So after all that confirmations were spotted, you can see how it played out. Okay, so if you backtest, you see that it keeps playing out like that. All right, it keeps playing out like that. So you could be in good profit if you sit down and really look out for these entries, look out for possible entries, look out for these setups, and just see how you can maximize this and make good gains for yourself. All right, you want to reach out to me to be a part of our VIP group. We share premium signals every single day. My WhatsApp number would be in the description box of this video, so you can also be a part of that team. You also want to be somebody I mentor, somebody I teach how to analyze the market without all of these indicators. You also want to join our mentorship group where I groom ordinary people to become profitable traders in a matter of months. So guys, my WhatsApp number would also be in the description box, so just reach out to me. If you also seek clarity on any of these videos, you want to reach out to me, you can still text me on that same WhatsApp number, guys. Backtest this, make sure it works very well for you before you apply it to your live account, and come testify, guys. Drop good reviews if you have been using our past strategies and they've been working for you. If you also have challenges, still comment and just let me know where to come in to help you. I'll see you guys in the next video.